When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello. Let's do some Kidpower. I have some helpers with me today because we're going to do no thank you power. Uh-oh, I don't think they realised we'd started recording. You all right there, Turtle? Okay, come on then. You got a bit of a fright, didn't you, Kiwi? Yes, you did. It's all right though. I think everybody's very friendly out there. You all friendly? Oh, good to know. You okay now? So, shall we do some no thank you power? No thank you power is a very handy thing to have when you're in a bubble or your family or some of your family. Now, there's been a wee problem in our bubble in that Turtle, here we go, likes grabbing on to Kiwi's beak with his mouth. Kiwi's not a fan. Kiwi's been practicing no thank you power. Very good. And Kiwi's actually learning that when that chompy mouth starts coming, Kiwi's using his eyes to look and he says, no thank you. Good skills. And you learning to listen to that, Turtle? Yes. Wonderful. Now remember, everyone at home, oops, sorry, I made the wind shake. I didn't, it was just my laptop. I want all of you at home to remember when something's happening that maybe you're not so keen on, or something's being offered that you don't want, you can just say, no, thank you. Fabulous. Have fun practicing. Bye for now.